What's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today I'm just gonna unbox this piece of tech right here, and as I say in my every single video, it isn't a sponsored video, so I'm not being paid or anything. It's just that I got the product and I want to unbox it, right? So this is a tripod. Since I have my original tripod, like the big one that I'm using right now to hold my camera to record these videos, it's something similar, but it's really small. So this, if you want a comparison, this is my hand size, and that would be the tripod, like the box itself. So let me just adjust a little bit to show you how it looks. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox it, and it includes this thing that they call the pistol grip tripod. So yeah, that's what they call it, and this is a phone holder for the pistol grip tripod. Since if you want your phone to be held, you can use that. So let's go unbox, and in the box the pistol grip tripod is included, and the phone holder. So that's the only two things that is included. So let's go ahead and open this box up. Alright, yo. Alright, let's pull it out, and for the pricing and the details, I got it from the local Walmart store, and it was pretty cheap, nearly 15 bucks. So yeah, it can be used as a selfie stick, I guess. So that's nice. Alright, and let me just take out the phone holder. So it's packed. So it's included in cheap plastic. Well, it is reasonable because it is a cheap pack. It's legit 15 bucks. So it's really nice. The the quality is not bad. It feels kind of premium. And now let's go through and see the phone holder, which is also included. And before that, we have the 1-year warranty, which comes with the package. I don't think so it'll work, but it is there. And you also have the functionality, folding the tripod and all this. Close look. Okay, let's close this up and get the phone stand. So this is the phone stand itself. It is as you can see, the display is turned. So yes, it is important. My camera is in portrait filming right now because I'm filming with my phone for this bit, and I've added that in my real tripod. So the phone stand is on my real tripod, and it's ready to use. So I can legit put my phone right now and film the whole video on it, but I wanted to demonstrate how the phone works. So if you guys can see here in the image, so it is like that, and there is a pin that you can fix on your holder like that, your tripod. Then it'll be on your tripod, so you can put your phone on it. But since I consider the quality of my videos, I use a professional camera to record all my videos, and this phone holder is just for taking selfies or cool photos. So let's go back to the video and cover the functionality about the tripod. Alright, so we're back with the tripod right here, and I've switched to my camera. So let's go and test this product right here, and I'm not sure how to open this up. Let me just read the manual real quick. So there's this red button right here that you can be used for let me just read the functionality. I'll just be right. So this right here, it projects the name. So this is the pistol grip, so you can it can be used as a selfie stick. So I figured out what this red button does. It basically moves the head up and down, like its whole functionality. Since this thing is new, um, it's kind of hard to handle, but like it'll be fine because the parts are like used to stay together, like, so it's gotta be okay, I guess. And yeah, I still not have figured out how to open this thing up, but it's not gotta be complicated, you know. Let's try opening it up. So I've finally figured out how to open the tripod itself. I'll just demonstrate it right. Sorry for the audio issues. It's just some technical issues with my mic connections, and yeah. Okay, let's just open that up like that. So now it's a full tripod. It's kind of small, but like, you know, it's what it is, what it is. So yeah, it's pretty stable and solid, and kind of like good looking though. It's stylish. Like you can carry it around and you'll have no problem. And since it has this pistol grip, you'll not drop your phone mostly. And yeah, guys, that's it for the review of the the pistol grip camera holder. Alright, I would say the pistol grip tripod, but anyways, that's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Peace.